Love is in the air, you guys. The love is in the air. Hello, my partiers. It's your favorite girl, Tiffany, back in the spot again. And today, you guys, can't you feel it nearby? Can't you feel it nearby? The love, you guys. The love is nearby. The love is in the air. But today, you guys, I'm going to be bringing you a video on how to create a strawberry bouquet for your loved ones. I don't know, whoever you want to give one to, Valentine's Day. It's an easy DIY project. So you guys stay tuned to this video. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it's gathered all around my love you bucket. Then I got my foam in here. And next, I'm going to take my teddy bear, a small teddy bear that I have. Let me tear the tag off first, you guys. I'm going to take my teddy bear. And I'm going to place him inside the basket. And I got him sitting on top of the foam. I'm going to bring that up. So I got him sitting on top of the foam, as you can see. So I got my bear in the basket, you guys. Now I'm ready to put my strawberries on these skewers. And remember, I said I got the kind of long skewers because I wanted to look like the bear is holding balloons, strawberry balloons, you guys. So let me push this over and let me start putting my skewers on my strawberries. So I'm going to these gloves are kind of big, you guys. Take my toothpick out, take my skewer, turn my strawberry upside down, and I'm going to stick the skewer in the top part. And you don't want to go that far. So see, I got it on the skewer. Now I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to take my toothpick out, turn my strawberry around, stick my skewer in, and don't go stick your skewer in all the way, you guys, else your strawberry is going to fall. It's going to slip down the stick. That's what I meant to say. Okay. This one. Okay. I'm going to turn this one upside down. Insert the stick onto the next one. Same way. Turn it around, insert the stick. And last one, you guys. turning it around, inserting my stick. Okay, so I got my sticks, my strawberries on the sticks, skewers. Now what I'm going to do is stick them in my basket. So I'm going to push these to the side, pull my basket back forth, and I'm going to stick my skewers through the heart back here. So let's see. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to stick it through. Okay. In just a minute, you guys. I want you guys to be able to see the top of the strawberry. So let's go up. See, I got it sticking up, okay? Next one. Take it, and I'm gonna stick it down. Okay. See? See, you guys? I'm gonna take my next one. And stick it maybe on the okay. I'm gonna take a 3 in there. Got 3 in there, you guys. There's 6. Yeah, there. Oh no, okay. Got it in there. I'm gonna go back to this side. Sorry, you guys can't see it all the way. Okay. One more, you guys. One more. So this one, I'll stick on this again. Also, okay. See you guys. So I got my strawberries, and it looks like the bear is holding strawberry balloons. So now what I'm gonna do is try to, let me bring my camera, gather up some of this paper up around, bunch it back up around the bear, like that. And then I'm going to take, let me push this back, guys. I'm going to take, remember these tags I mentioned in the beginning of the video? I'm going to take this tag and I'm going to tie it around the bear's neck and take these gloves off. And I got these tags from Michael's last year, you guys. It comes with the string, but you have to cut the string. You have to size the string up to whatever you're tying it around. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going, you know what, you guys? I should tie it around the sticks. see how that looks. Let's see here. I'm going to try to tie it around the sticks and see how that looks. So you can do it that way, you too, guys. Okay. So I did tie it around the sticks. I was going to tie it around the bear's neck. But you guys, here is your bear strawberry bouquet basket. Give you a closer look at the strawberries. This is one DIY idea. So you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And like I always say, I will party with you guys next time. Bye. You say what? I don't care what they say. When Jesus is in the mix, the plan never fails. Keep doing it in front of the haters and the naysayers.